Okay, so good evening. So let us now proceed to the problem solving with computational thinking. So this is the second topic for Creative Technology 8, second quarter. So before we start, let us now think the meaning of this saying. Computational thinking is an important life skill that everyone should learn regardless of their future career path by Mitchell Resnick. So when we analyze this saying, so meaning to say computational thinking is not just for programmer. So everyone of us should learn the skills in computational thinking because it is applicable in our life. So let us now find why we say that it is not only for computer programmer. Problem solving with computational thinking. Problem solving with computational thinking involves the process of identifying and defining problems, developing algorithmic solutions, and testing and iterating those solutions by breaking down complex problem into smaller part and recognize pattern. Computational thinking enables individuals to approach problem solving in a systematic and logical manner. Through this approach, individual can develop efficient algorithm and strategies to solve problem in a wide range of field and discipline. So meaning to say, problem solving with computational thinking is not just applicable in computer science, so it can be used across the discipline, like for example science, mathematics, engineering, or in other course. Computational thinking provides a framework for problem solving that is not limited to computer science but can be applied to various areas such as mathematics, science, engineering, and even everyday life. But integrating computational thinking into education, students can develop essential problem solving skills and gain a deeper understanding of how to approach and solve complex problems in a systematic way. So meaning to say, even though we are a student, we can apply computational thinking in our life to solve a complex problem in our life in a systematic way. So the first step that we should have in problem solving is defining and identifying and defining problems. When applying computational thinking to problem solving, the first step is to identify and define the problem at hand. This involves recognizing the specific issue that needs to be addressed and understand its underlying characteristics. By clear defining the problem, we can begin to analyze it and determine the most effective approach to solve it. So meaning to say, we should identify the problem, or we should accept the problem, and we should study the problem, the nature of the problem, so in order to formulate an effective solution. Because if we did not recognize the problem and we did not study the nature of the problem, so we cannot apply we cannot apply effective solution for that problem because we are not recognizing this problem. For example, we always we always get failed grade in our examination. So what you are trying to do, you are just blaming your subject teacher or your classmate because you are not recognizing that there is a problem in yourself regarding your study habit. So once you did not admit that there is a problem in yourself, you will not arrive to a right solution. So that's defining and identifying problem is important. This essential stage is crucial as it lays the foundation for developing algorithmic solutions and testing them iteratively. Identifying and defining problems with a computational thinking mindset allows for a systematic and logical approach to finding effective solution. Second, developing algorithmic solution. Developing algorithmic solution is a crucial step in problem solving with computational thinking. It involves creating a set of step-by-step instructions or algorithm to solve a given problem. Algorithm or algorithmic solutions require breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable tasks and determining the order in which these tasks should be executed. This process requires careful planning, logical reasoning, and attention to detail. By developing algorithmic solution, individual can effectively tackle complex problem and find efficient way to solve them. So, if we're going to apply this concept in robotics, so meaning to say, if we want to address a specific problem in our robotics, we should make a algorithmic solution. So when we say algorithmic solution, uh, we creating a set of step-by-step instruction to our robots. So for example, our problem is to detect how to detect our motion student. So the first step that we have scan or sensor. We have a sensor. Uh, then we should first give detail. So for example, what the robot can do after analyzing the ID of the student. So there's a specific feedback for that step. Then after that, what will be the response if there's a specific response for that uh, findings. So in that way, so we should code the instruction step by step in a detailed way, and what will be the response must also be included. Okay, so testing and iterating solution. Testing and iterating solution is a crucial step in problem solving with computational thinking. It involves carefully testing the developed algorithmic solution and making necessary adjustment or iterations to enhance their effectiveness through testing potential issues or error can be identified and addressed, ensuring the solution are viable and efficient. So testing and iterating, so this is the last part. Sometimes we call it a debugging. So we are testing the step or algorithmic solution that we made if it will work properly. So if not, we will repeat the process. So to make it easier, I will just compare it to solving mathematical problem. So after you solve the problem, you will check whether your solution is correct or not. So once you found out that the solution is not correct, it is the time to repeat the procedure and to arrive to a specific solution or to the right solution. So once you test and you found out that it is correct, so it is the time to accept or to say that your solution is right. So this iterative process allows for continuous improvement and refinement of the solution, leading to more reliable and optimized outcomes. So by incorporating testing and iteration into problem solving with computational thinking, individuals can enhance their problem solving skills and develop more robust and reliable solutions to complex problems. So that's it for problem solving with computational thinking. So again, computational thinking is not only for programmer, The best application of computational thinking is in our life. So what is our dream in our life and how to achieve this dream? So if we encounter some trouble or challenges in our life, let us test or examine the solution that we made in our life. And if we need to repeat the process, do it. So that's life. So once we repeat the process, it will give us, or sometimes it will result to more improvement in our life. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it.